Hello friends, this is Tim Schrock from Design Build Solutions bringing you today's Tech Tip Tuesday video, once again using Chief Architect Premiere version X9 on my iMac desktop computer. I am working on a unique project today, and this is a synthetic ice rink will be put into an existing barn. And I've got this situation where we're going to be using these LED lights hanging from flush with the trusses that are here, and yes, they will be finishing the upper cord, the top cord, and insulating up there, leaving the trusses exposed. But these lights, so what I did to get this, let me back up before I go forward a second. To get the trusses visible, I had to draw the trusses and then lock their envelope. If you double click on the truss, you'll see lock the truss envelope in the roof truss specification dialog box. So that's what I did and copied all of those across. I removed the ceiling from the room and then I added the lights, but I forgot these lights are going to follow the roof slope now. So I'm going to show you how I do this, and we're going to select all of them by clicking my electrical tools and shift dragging across all 8 objects there. Actually, I can't do it that way, so we'll select one. And when I select it, I don't want to double click on it because that pulls up the electrical service specification dialog box. What I want is this this open symbol, which is the pencil and the chair icon here. And from there, that's the symbol specification dialog box. I'm going to click on Options tab and uncheck Flush Mounted. When I click OK here, we're going to see in the camera view what that does. So see how that is not flush mounted with the ceiling anymore. So now I can actually offset it from the ceiling, let's say 36 inches for now, and that moves it down. We can check this in a section view exactly what that's going to be. So let's take our section view. I'm going to move it section in this direction. And from here, here's our light. So I'm going to hit W on my keyboard to draw a line, and that's just going to show me how long this line is. So from the light to the bottom cord, I need to move it, we'll say 5 inches. So 41. And there we go. Now it's at the bottom of the bottom cord of the truss. Now I'm going to just delete all of these. I'm going to take this, whoops, I don't need an outlet. I need to select the light, copy this about this ridge, and select both lights and copy those. I'm going to hit the pin, so I just drag it like that, and then I'm going to select these two and copy about the center of the rink. Let's go back to camera view. And there we have what we're looking for. Hey, I hope this has been helpful working on the symbol specification for these lights and fixtures. You can do a lot, whether you're creating your own light fixture or using a light fixture and wanting to change how it attaches or mounts to the ceiling. Using these placement here, and particularly the ceiling, flush mounted or not flush mounted. In this case, because we don't have the flat ceiling, it would go at the angle of the roof, and we don't want that. We want it flat with where the ceiling would be. And just going to check OK. And there we have it. If this has been something you've learned, please leave an encouragement. Drop a thumbs up down there. And as always, subscribe and you'll catch these tips each week as I release them. As always, have a wonderful week.